Hey everyone guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to change your bank account details on Uber Eats guys, okay? So whether you're actually updating your payment info or just switching banks, this guide has you covered guys. So let's get started. So first things first guys, what you want to do is you want to open up the Uber Eats app on your phone and log into your account, right? And once you're in guys, once you're actually in, you just want to tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner to actually just access your profile, okay? Next, you want to scroll down and select payment from the menu options. This is where you'll find all your payment details, including your bank account information. All of these are stored here. And now what you want to do, guys, you just want to tap on payouts or bank account, okay, depending on your app version. Then you just want to look for the option to edit or update your bank account details. Just enter your new bank account information, including your routing number and account number, guys. Okay. Make sure you double check these details, guys, to avoid any errors. Right. And after you've entered the new information, guys, just save the changes. Okay. Uber Eats may send you a confirmation or actually ask for verification to ensure that the new account is linked successfully, guys. And that's it. Your bank account information on Uber Eats has basically been updated, right? So if this tutorial helped, guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and of course, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy guides. And I'll see you guys in the next video.